Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Black& Decker portable air conditioner suddenly shows an FE error code, it can feel frustrating especially when the cooling stops and you are left wondering what the message actually means. In many situations, the FE error appears when the unit is dealing with water collection or internal drainage issues, which may stop the system from cooling normally. Sometimes the Black& Decker portable air conditioner may keep running briefly before shutting down, while in other cases the error appears immediately on the display. The good part is that this issue is often connected to maintenance or drainage rather than major damage. With a few simple checks, many users are able to clear the error and get cooling back again. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Black& Decker portable air conditioner FE error. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Black& Decker portable air conditioner and check whether the air conditioner water tank needs draining. Step 2. Unplug the Black& Decker portable air conditioner for a few minutes to reset the air conditioner system. Step 3. Inspect the drainage area of the Black& Decker portable air conditioner and clean any blockage affecting the air conditioner flow. Step 4. Check the filter inside the Black& Decker portable air conditioner to help the air conditioner airflow work correctly. Step 5. Plug the Black& Decker portable air conditioner back in and restart the after draining or cleaning. Step 6. Wash the Black& Decker portable air conditioner display again and confirm the air conditioner FE error is gone.